Key variables for process control. Cleaning and lubrication are the key variables. Knocking off motions, 3 try, knock off lever, T lever, repulsor, those are important. Another key variable is reed. The fixing of the reed, the alignment of the reed, and the angle at which it is aligned. Reed fixing joint pieces defective. Reed angle, swell position, raise board height, these are the key variables. Coming to shuttle. In the shuttle boxing, entry roller height, shuttle entry setting, shuttle centering, kicker setting up, down, back and front, dagger lifting, stop rod finger and swell, blocking, tongue tension setting. These are the key variables in relating to shuttle. Continued. Swell and blocking tongue, front guide setting, adjustment of dagger setting, full box position, play in stop rod, fast straight motion. In the picking section, the timing of picking is very important. The lug strap setting is important. Return spring, what is the tension at which it is there, that is also plays a key role. Pick force, picking stick, crack cutting, picking force, how much picking force is applied, buffer, picking ball cutting and jumping, battery, protector height, shuttle tip alignment, latch ball position, latch face position, hammer, tilting of latch, hammer pressure, pern guide up and down and bobbin chute position, hammer play, play in bobbin disc, flat spring setting, cutter setting and working, pern holder setting. Shedding. In the shedding mechanism, locking nuts and heel adjustment is a key variable, setting of side support and timing, mechanical condition of shedding mechanism, cloth position. Shuttle condition, cutting of back and reed mark, cutting bottom and top, cutting at front, eye and jaw loose, nylon loops. Brake and starting handle. The setting of the starting handle is an important factor. Brake setting and working. We have studied brake mechanism in the previous chapter. So brake, when there is a weft brake or war brake or war protector mechanism or any other loom stoppage, then brake should be done automatically and done very fast. Setting of check straps, bearing and process, crank arm, shafts and bearing, rocking bearing and side play. Take up motion, free movement of the gear, that means all the wheels. Slip catch working, slip catch and pulling catch. The other key variables are center weft fork, whether it is working or not, setting and working of the weft feeler, cloth winding mechanism in the take up section, warp let off setting in the let off mechanism, shuttle guard adjustment, guards and covers, bolt nuts, screws, pin studs, play in motor, pinion rod, weft hook. Temples. Temple setting from brace board to reed. Play in temple cutter at front center. So these are the main key variables. Whatever the main important parts are, those are the key variables in the process control. Thank you.